Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5 to a grey, cold and damp United Kingdom. I am absolutely, neither does my husband would say, or my late husband, but today is the day of parcels. Look at this! Woo! I never have this many parcels, and I've got Freddie's flowers, so I thought I'd open them with you. So I know what the first one is. Can you see what this one is? Oh yes. I will put a little note saying it's, now this is, it's got a bit damp. So this book is called Modern Heirloom Quilting, and it's by a lady called Amber Elliott, and she has a company called the Alderwood Studio, and I've seen it being advertised on Instagram, and I do want to next year just do a little bit more quilting. And I'm loving these modern designs. But if my memory serves me right, this lady lives in Portland, so I'm going to get in touch with her hopefully next year and say, may I come and see you next summer? So that's the first thing. The second thing is I think if my memory serves me right as to what this is, it's in no show mesh, large roll. After getting through the other one and realising it has revolutionised my machine embroidery. But it is Vlogmas because I need this to do the embroidery. Now, Finally, I'm very patient. I haven't actually looked to see. I actually think I deleted the email that told me the tracking number, and I just thought, there's a postal strike, it'll come. So here we go. Think Pink box, and I don't normally do unboxings, but I'm going to do one today. Open me, pretty things await inside. So you know what I'm like for stickers. I don't like to kill the sticker, but I think today I am going to kill the sticker because I'm so excited. Has everybody heard? This is a lovely box. I haven't opened it, seriously. I haven't opened it. Here she is. Here is the box. Here is the box. I'll just zoom you in a bit. And if I do that, it probably, oh. There we go. Now I can see what you're doing. So here is the essential. This is my scan code to find out Andrea's ideas. Can you see the sticker? Can you see the sticker this time? Is that not just beautiful? That needs to go on my sticker chart on the wall up there. So inside here today we have got, oh my goodness me, look at this. Is that not just beautiful? So it says here, take time for yourself. Oh my gosh, I know what's in here. Would you like to have a look at this? I haven't had one of these for ages, and I don't think it's going to last very long. Lots of rattling. Oh yes. It is a snowball. I have not had one of these. Now, it's basically, it's like a marshmallow type substance, like fluffy egg white with lots of sugar. Lovely. Think Pink subscription box number 10. And on the back there's always a little quote. And it comes from Rita Gatore. Be like a diamond, precious and rare, not like a stone that is found everywhere. I love that. I've got a pom-pom. It says here. Oh, attach the end of the ribbon through your design, tie the ribbon ends and make a bow. Oh, that's really unusual. I've never seen anything like that. So it's if you're making a little hat, it's so soft on the face. What the thread? It's not Maraflex. It's not Mariflex. I'll come into that in a minute. But it is Christmas trees. It is a jersey. It is a jersey. It's not Mariflex thread. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. What am I going to make? It's Christmas trees. Upside down Christmas trees. I really like that. I'm going to have to hide that from my daughter. That is really lovely. I love that. I really, really love that. It's so cold because it's been sat outside my house all day. We'll just fold this up again. Put this back in my box. So what else do we have here? We have this little envelope here. It's got a red heart on the outside. Oh, look at that. This is a lovely card that I could use to send as a birthday card to somebody. It's a red fox. Is that not just beautiful? So that is my pink Christmas fox, which is absolutely lovely. I'm going to pop that all back together there. And I'm going to keep my scan code because I will need that. And I'm going to get myself ready to do my advent calendars. But I'm not going to take you around. I'm going to gather together the bits for the advent calendar, but I'm going to bring them over to you because that's just how I feel tonight. So just hold on and I will go and get them. Then I'm going to get machine embroidery going and get some of that done for today. Just to comment again about Vlogmas Day 4, I don't know what I did. But I've not quite been myself over the weekend, but I'm determined I'm not going to get this cold because I'm too busy to be poorly. Right, I'll be back with you in a minute. So, carrying on in the theme of the pink dot. If you watched the live last night with Andrea, she did say, could I tell her the number that had been eaten by the dogs? I can now tell her and confirm it, but I'm not going to tell you. So I have number 5 here. It's a little packet. I think I can tell what might be in it. I just love the little paper bags that they've used. The children at school are going to have such fun. Oh, look at these. Now these are quite strong. So I've held up, look at these, and looking down. Pins, beautiful pins with sort of, look at this, goldy ends. I like things like this. Now I need these because they are slightly thicker pins. They are size 38 and 60 millimeters. So I think they're definitely a thicker pin. Now pins, I don't know if anybody's seeing Alison So Like Dottie's comments on Instagram. She's asking what your favourite pins are and what your favourite pattern is and things like that. And it was pins or clips. Now I said I like pins, and I do, but pins have got to be matched to the fabric. So there's no point using this pin on viscose. It's too thick. But this pin is nice and sturdy, and it is brilliant for my quilting cottons that I've got for the tree skirt. Let me show you. Now, what I mean is this particular fabric is really tough to pin through, and this thick, strong pin is gliding through it. Now, when I start to add the next bits to the design, and the next bit would go on here, and I've got it just here so I can show you exactly what I mean. It's going to go here. And it will be the camels. So we trim it back. That off. Now, I am just pinning it on so people can see. Now, this is quite a fine pin that I've got here. So I shall take that out. And in its place, where did I put it? Oh, that's great, I've lost one already. So what I've been doing is literally folding them over and putting them on. Now, to pin through all of these layers, it's really quite hard. And the pins I have here, now these are the ones I got from L'Oreal. Let me just pop it down. That's very clever. Here's the pink. Can you see it? Oh, there you go. So that's the fine pin that I use. And these are the pins that Andrea has sent. So much thicker. If I can do the two side by side. You see the Andrea pins on top and the fine dressmaking pins underneath. So these, for me, if I was jersey, nice thicker jersey, or any sort of cotton twills, but for the patchwork here, they are absolutely immense. So look, and Rachel will vouch for me, because when we went to the knitting and stitching show, I wanted patchwork pins. Perfect, and they have just gone straight through. Turn this one over. I'm just pinning it together to see what it will look like. So when I finally get it together and get my Christmas tree up, I can see what the skirt will look like. Oh, there's the pin that's missing. It's just here. So if then pin on, that's two, I've got two number 8s here. I've got a number 9 over in the sewing machine, but the next one would then go on again. I can take out the fine pin I had in there, put in one of the new Andrea pins, just here. And then put that together there like that. There's the new Andrea pin. So I've just pulled out a pin that's even finer. It's so fine it bounces. Oh, the weather is horrible outside. It's raining again. There you go, you can see that it is building round. So the next one that would go on would be a number 9, which is in the sewing machine. And I can't remember which number is on the other side. And the dogs are going mad because Hannah's just arrived. Hello, Hannah.
Hello. Hi, Vlogmas. We grew up with cats. Blame your mum. Come here then.
Poppy's decided that she too might like to have a...
Oh, yes. Hello,
Whatever happens to Maggie has to happen to Poppy, and I'm not allowed to pick them up.
Hello. My treat, isn't it?
Anyway, I shall come back to this in a minute. I got some pins, Hannah, today in my Beyond the Pink Door Advent calendar. And they are amazing. They are really good, strong, like quilting type pins, which is great for the tree skirt. And the last thing to open. Oh, I opened up the Yankee candle and there's another little tea light in there. And I'm slowly burning my way through it. So here we are. Backstitch. It does say 5. 5. Whoa! Oh, yes. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Sparkly thread. Straight onto the thread thing. Love it. Just realised I hadn't shown you. Oh, that's not very good lighting, is it? That's better. My beautiful flowers from Freddy's. And I think something went wrong this time, because I was only meant to have 3 roses and I got 5. So I'm not complaining. And I saw them and I just thought, oh, do you know, I really fancy them this week. So I get them about once a month. And it's usually the first Monday in the month that I get them. But only if I like what's in the box. If I don't, then I won't. So I really, really love those. I'm going to show you from the top. They're lovely. They look better after a few days. So, here we are at the end of Vlogmas Day 5. I am sitting here at the sewing machine, halfway through the next piece number 9 to go on the tree skirt, doing my Duolingo French. Oops, there's a picture of the dogs, but actually, seriously, I'm doing my French. Can you see that? At the same time, it's called multitasking. Thank you so much for staying with me. I just want to explain, my vlogs seem to be going up the following day. So rather than them landing in the early hours of the morning, I'm actually going to time them to go up in the morning. My vlogs are going up. I'm happy with that. With the speed of our internet, I'm not even going to complain. It is just one of those things. Ooh, gone dark and light again. How dare you do that to me? Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you've seen, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to join me, hit that subscribe button. And for now, thank you so much for watching and also for your wonderful comments. Take care. Good night. See you tomorrow.